Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing well. So get we're at Sabina Park, gearing up for a big matchup in the Caribbean Cup, the Concacaf Caribbean Cup. Sabina Park, the game will play here tomorrow evening actually. Expecting to see an exciting encounter. Very good encounter. As you can see, pitch is being watered at this present moment. Wonderful surface, people. A really good surface. So as you guys know, Lenny Hyde is one who's at the helm of the Dunbeholden team. I'm expecting great things from them. I was earlier at the part of the training session, saw them. They look quite nice. They look quite fairly decent. A lot of additions, likes of Nicholas Nelson. So they are looking quite good at this present moment. So as you know, good coach, also addition of good players. So we're expecting to see good things from Dunbeholden. You guys know Harbour already under Ludlow Bernard. Expecting to see good football, some flair football, possession-based football from Dunbeholden, but more of an attacking counter-press type of football from Harbour. So that should be a good game. So the last 5 meet-up between each team. It has been 2 wins, 2 draws. 2 wins each and 1 draw. So it has been fairly even. But I do think that in the last 3 games, Dunbeholden have had the upper hand where that is concerned. So maybe going to this game, Dunbeholden are a little bit more on the favourite side. Even if you look at their form, Dunbeholden have a better form going to this game. Last 5 games from Harbour, stringing all the way back to the Premier League. They won the last 4 games, win 1, and then now for Dunbeholden they won 3 games, lost 1, draw 1. So they are in a better form right now. But this definitely should be a good matchup. This game will be taking place. I think it will be playing at Sabina Park. Let me see. My apologies if I don't get that right. Let me see if we can correct that. But it should be at Sabina Park. I know I'm not being tricked. I think it should be at Sabina Park. And I see they're posting here at Independence Park, but I think it should be at Sabina Park. Yes, it's Sabina Park because tomorrow at Independence Park, which is the National Stadium, the schoolboy football launch will be taking place. So it's at Sabina Park. So if you can come out, turn out and come and support 2 of the teams participating in the Concacaf Championship, Caribbean Cup. So I'm expecting a good matchup. Definitely, I do think that based off the numbers, the statistics, Dunbeholden would be favourites to take this one. But you don't know, football is played on the pitch, and that's where you have to analyse the game sometimes. But we will see how this one materialises. Both coaches know each other, both teams know each other, so they know each other, how they play. They know what to expect from each other. So this certainly should be an exciting encounter. So see you guys for that one. I think I might go from the statistics and tip a little bit in favour of Dunbeholden, just a little bit in favour of Dunbeholden because of the data, what the data is being presented. But you don't know, as me say, football is not one on the pitch. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. This is certainly going to be a good one. Cavaliers match will be coming up quite soon. I will see how that one go. We'll see how that one go, people. Anyways, big up on yourself. MG Sports TV. We're out, people. Boom.